Picture this. You're heading through airport security, feeling good. You've packed light, triple-checked the TSA website, and you're thinking, I've got this down. Then, beep. Your bag gets pulled aside. The TSA agent puts on gloves, reaches in, and takes out something you were positive was legal last year. They look at you and say, sorry, this can't go. And just like that, your item is gone. No appeal, no explanation. And here's the kicker. In 2025, TSA has quietly started confiscating everyday items that used to fly just fine. Travelers are losing money, wasting time, and getting blindsided at checkpoints. That's why today, we're covering 12 common items TSA is now confiscating, even if they were legal before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid packing and what to do instead so you don't lose your stuff. Oh, and mistake number 7, it's catching travelers every single day. Before we dive in, quick ask. Hit like if TSA has ever taken something from you. And make sure you subscribe, because I drop weekly 2025 travel hacks that airlines and airports never tell you about. Alright, let's break this down. 1. Peanut butter and spreads. Let's start with the one that blew up on social media last year. Peanut butter. TSA now calls it a liquid. Yep, that creamy jif in your carry-on? Gone. Travelers have also had hummus, Nutella, and even salsa pulled. Think about that. Your picnic just turned into a snackless nightmare. What to do instead? Pack travel-sized packets or toss it in checked luggage. Pro tip? If it spreads, TSA considers it a liquid. 2. Reusable lighters and fuel canisters. Campers and digital nomads, I'm looking at you. TSA is cracking down on refillable lighters and butane canisters, even the tiny ones. These used to sneak through with no problem. I once saw a guy lose his $50 Zippo at security. The look on his face? Priceless. Well, not priceless for him. Solution: stick with disposable lighters or buy your fuel at your destination. 3. Powders over protein powder bros. This one's for you. TSA is flagging powders in large tubs, even baby formula and electrolyte mixes. Why? Because on scanners, it can resemble, well, let's just say not protein. I once got flagged for packing powdered Gatorade in a giant baggie. Trust me, watching TSA swab neon orange powder isn't fun. What to do? Keep powders in the original container, split them into smaller bags, and always declare them. 4. Medical creams and ointments. Here's a sneaky one. For years, travelers with prescription creams got a free pass. But in 2025, TSA has started confiscating items if they're unlabeled or not declared. Imagine losing your $200 prescription ointment at security. Yeah, nightmare fuel. Tip: keep everything in the pharmacy container and bring your prescription copy. 5. Kitchen gadgets and small appliances. This one sounds silly, but it's happening more and more and more. Mini waffle makers, blenders, even coffee grinders. TSA aging them. 7. Duty-free liquids on layovers. Here's the trap. You buy duty-free whiskey in Paris, sealed in a bag, thinking you're golden. But then, for your US layover, boom, confiscated. Because once you leave international security, it's just another oversized liquid. I've seen travelers lose $200 bottles of perfume. Brutal. What to do? Only buy duty-free if your destination is your final stop. If you've got a layover, wait until later. 8. Unlabeled CBD products. CBD is legal, but TSA doesn't like mystery oils or gummies with no labels. If it looks homemade, it's gone. Tip: always travel with sealed, clearly labeled CBD from a legit brand. 9. Aerosol sprays. This one feels unfair. Even non-flammable aerosols like hairspray, dry shampoo, or deodorant are getting flagged if the container is too large. TSA's official rule is 3.4 ounces, but in 2025, enforcement has got strict. Solution: buy TSA travel sizes. Seriously, don't risk it. 10. Snack and foil wrappers. This one's hilarious but true. Foil bags of chips or candy bars can look suspicious on scanners, so open or confiscate them. Imagine losing your Sour Patch Kids before an 8-hour flight. Painful. Hack: toss snacks into clear zip bags before packing. Travelers are getting burned on this. TSA has been stricter with pepper spray, tactical pens, and even certain keychains. Instead, leave these at home or buy TSA-approved travel alternatives. 12. Souvenirs that look questionable. Wood carvings, replica weapons, even oddly shaped bottles. TSA has the right to confiscate anything that resembles a threat. That hand-carved machete from Costa Rica? Yeah, it's not making it through.